Okay, guys, so you can see I'm launching my token pocket, and we want to talk about the Horizon Defai protocol project. Okay, now this video is specifically for team builders. Okay, those who are getting referrals and they might want to be collecting or withdrawing it. I'm making this video for you. Okay, if you're not a team builder or you don't have the downline that are generating commission for you, then you might not value this video, but I advise you watch so you can maybe have a fair knowledge about how it is. Okay, now if you come to your discover my token pocket, whatever wallet you are using, go to discover or whatever the browser name is. You come to the search engine, you see all the sites you have used that your wallet for. So I'm taking a port. Oh, sorry. I'm taking a Horizon. I'm running port and Horizon in the same name, so I got confused. Okay. So as you can see, this is my direct invitation of people that use my link, and this is my total team. Okay, including those who my downlines are also referring. Okay, but amazingly, guys, out of these 23 people, if I tell you the number that has activated the account, it will amaze you. Look at this. You see, this person has not activated. This person has not activated. This person did but something small, this person to something small, this person to something small. And if I keep scrolling, you'll see people have not activated at all. Okay, so it's like just like about 12 people have really activated their account and then started this project with us. Okay, somebody too did but something small. But well, that is it. If this project were to be a daily ROI project that will be giving you profit on daily basis, you will see people running into it. But believe me, I will not run any of those projects again. Anything daily ROI, I'm off. Why? Because they are not trustworthy. I will only do protocol projects that are running on the blockchain and renounced by the owners, and the blockchain is controlling everything, which I know will take a long time. Why are we saying, or why are we so sure this project will take a long time? Is because the protocol they are following has a track record. The Olympus DAO protocol, that is what all these projects are following. Olympus DAO protocol has been there since 2021, almost 6 years now, still paying investors. Okay, Akas has been there for 4 years now. Origin has been there for 4.5 years now. I think which one I forgot the name. Also, I've been there for 3.5 years now. Horizon started just last year, so we're barely a year now. Okay, Port also started this year, so we know the track record of this project. Anyway, let's just go ahead and talk about what I'm here for. So if you click on the menu, you go to contribution. If you take contribution, you will see your details there. Okay, you will see your details there. So everything is spelled out for here for you. Now, if you scroll down, you will see your how do you call it, your contribution team reward. Okay, it comes every day in my Ghana time, 10 a.m. or 10 GMT. It drops, and so all you need to do is to claim it. Now, to claim it, it's either you burn BNW or you burn Ori. Okay, I don't have BNW to burn. I'm not ready to buy, so I'll click on burn Ori. What it means is that I'm going to burn a percentage of this total I'm receiving now. Okay, so I will click on this. By default, it is highlighting 15 days. It means that I will get paid this amount in 15 days, and the percentage I'm burning is equivalent to 0.01. I have a total of this one here, and so if I'm burning 25%, then it means that I'm burning this amount here. All right, so I like it. I want to receive this in 15 days. If you want to receive it in 45 days, then you just click on this one. In that case, you'll be burning this amount. Okay, I think we look at all that already. All right, so I will just go ahead, and then as I click on burn Ori, I'll just go ahead and click on confirm. which means that I'm burning a percentage of my receiving Ori. I will confirm with my fingerprint or whatever. It could be your password of your wallet, and then you just let it go, and then pending confirmed. You see it is gone. It is gone. Now if I come here, if I scroll down and come to burn Ori, because I'm burning Ori to claim, you see all the claims I have made. Okay, some are yet to go down in 3 days, some are yet to go down 4 days. The next one is yet to go down in 4 days, some hours. The next one will go down in 6 days. You can see there are some that have already gone because every day I claim, so they are already piling up in the pipeline. If I scroll down, you see this one has been fully vested. Fully vested means that the 15 days has elapsed, so they have released all for me. Okay, but you see, they will not wait for the 15 days to release them for you. They will be releasing it. A portion will be released to you every day. That is why if I scroll to the very down, even the one I did just now, okay, the one I did just now, 14 days with some hour, you can see the claim button is here. It means the portion has been released to me already. Okay, but me, I don't claim it on frequently. Okay, so sometimes I wait for about 5 days. So this one here, I'll show you an example. You can see this one is fully vested. This one is fully vested. This one is fully vested. Okay, this one is left with just 7 minutes to be fully vested. Okay, so I can be claiming. Okay, but what I do is I will come here and then click on claim all. In that case, all those have been fully vested, and those that are already portion have already been vested or have been completed, like this one that it has been 13 days already. A majority portion has been released. So if I click on this claim, it will come. But I want to click on this master claim all, so that it will claim all those have invested fully, and those that are yet not fully vested, the portions that have already been vested or be released, I'll just click that claim all, and it will claim everything that is pending, or that is that is pending in that has been released but is pending in the system. Okay, now how do you know that? Look at here. If I come back, let me come back to my token pocket. Let me take asset now. You see Ori here. I have I think 0.8913 Ori, giving me I think 49 point something dollars. Okay, now I'm going to claim. Take note of the number 49 point something dollars, which is 0.89 Ori. Now let me claim all, and then you see that it will come to add up, and then my Ori amount and my dollar amount too will increase. So let me go down and then take Ben Ori. Okay, then I'll scroll down and click on claim all, and then confirm. Okay, good. So everything has been claimed. Everything has been claimed. All right. So if I go back to my asset, you see my asset balance will increase already. You can see it has increased. Now my Ori is now 1.08. Formerly it was 0.8 something. Now it is 1.08. And then my in terms of dollars, it was I think 49 point something. Now it is 60 point something. So which means $10 has been added for that claim. So that is basically how you claim the Ori or for the commission. Okay, don't go claim the profit that you are getting on your stake. Okay, for example, if I click fixed stake, I can claim my balance. Okay, I can claim it. My profit I can claim, but I don't want to claim it. I want this to run for the term to end because of compounding. The reason why I'm claiming the commission is because it is not compounded. As for the commission, once it is there, nothing add up. Okay, it's not compounded. So once a while, I just claim it, and then maybe for something else. So guys, this is it. If you have not joined Ori yet, or Horizon project yet, you are delaying, and you know I don't know what to say, because I've given you everything you need. The understanding you need, I've given you. So just join this platform. The registration link will be there. I've made videos of how to register. Join. Okay, just copy the link to the browser of your wallet, any decentralized wallet, and then go through the system, the process to register. The WhatsApp group link is there. Join the WhatsApp group and let us help you out. We are changing our narrative with this project. Enough of burning our figures, enough of losing money. Guys, the narrative has to change and it must start now. If you are my follower on my YouTube channel or any of the social media channels and you are not taking action of Orizon or Port Defai, guy, I don't know what you want again. Me, I will not bring any daily arrow project for you to lose your money. So if you are waiting for me to bring such a thing before you jump in, forget it. Not here. I'll see you in my subsequent videos. Take care. Bye-bye.